If you're having trouble with your laptop keyboard where some keys just aren't working, don't worry, we've got you covered in this video. I'm going to walk you through several simple fixes to get your keyboard back in action. Before we dive into software fixes, let's check for any physical issues with the keyboard. Sometimes dust and debris can get stuck between the keys and cause them to stop working. Power off your laptop and use compressed air to blow out any dust from between the keys. You can also gently wipe the surface with a microfiber cloth to remove any dirt or grease. After cleaning, turn your laptop back on and test the keys again to see if this fixed this problem. If cleaning didn't work, let's try restarting your laptop. Now, if restarting your laptop also didn't help, another thing that could be causing a keyboard issue is the sticky keys or filter key feature. To check this, go to settings by pressing Windows plus I, then select sticky keys or filter keys feature, which are accessibility settings that can affect your keyboard's works. To check this, select ease of access and click on sticky keys. Make sure both sticky keys and filter keys are turned on. If these are enabled, turn them off and test your keyboard again. Now, if your keys are still not working, there may be a problem with the keyboard drivers. Make sure that your drivers are up to date. Press Windows plus X and click on Device Manager, then expand the keyboard section. Right click on the keyboard device and select Update Driver. And that's it. I hope one of these steps help you get your laptop keyboard working again.